Luto tayo ng creamy sopas with quail eggs. Sibuyas, pitso ng manok, hotdog, repolyo, carrots, celery, macaroni, evaporated milk, quail eggs. Lagyan na natin itong bawang at saka sibuyas. Lagyan na natin yung hotdog, pitso ng manok, patis, tubig, 2 cups ng macaroni. Lagyan na natin yung carrots, celery, repolyo, evaporated milk. Timpla natin ng asin, paminta, chicken bouillon. Lagyan natin ng butter. Lagyan din natin ng quail eggs. Ayan guys, luto na yung ating creamy sopas with quail eggs.